Welcome to Seattle. If you've only got one day to explore this vibrant city, don't worry, we've got you covered with two must-see spots. First up, Pike Place Market. Founded in 1907, this bustling market is more than just a shopping destination. It's a feast for the senses. Imagine the sights and sounds of fishmongers tossing the catch of the day, the aroma of fresh flowers, and the taste of local artisanal treats. And did you know? Pike Place Market is home to the very first Starbucks. Yep, coffee lovers, this is where it all began. Don't miss the iconic gum wall, a quirky, colourful landmark that's perfect for a selfie. Next, just a short trip away, is the iconic Space Needle. Built for the 1962 World's Fair, this futuristic tower has become Seattle's most recognizable symbol. Standing at 605 feet tall, it offers unparalleled 360-degree views of the city, Puget Sound, and the majestic Mount Rainier. Feeling brave? Step onto the rotating glass floor and see Seattle from a whole new perspective. It's an experience that's sure to take your breath away. In just one day, Pike Place Market and the Space Needle will give you a taste of Seattle's rich history and vibrant culture. Ready to plan your visit? Seattle is calling.